When I was in my school time, I was learning English as a subject, like this language only as a subject, not as a language. And still, I am learning this language only as a subject for my exam purpose. And then I thought that I know all the grammar rules, like I know what is tenses and what is preposition, what is conjunction, what is voice. Even I can change voice active to passive and passive to active, right? And even I know nouns, I know articles, I know narration, all grammar rules I know, like what is verb, what is auxiliary verb, what is main verb. I know all the grammar rules and how to use it and how to make sentences using this word, and even I know how to add two clauses, right, using conjunction. And I know all the grammar rules. But and then I think, if I know all the grammar rules, right, I know all the grammar rules, then why I am not able to speak in English? Why I can't speak in English even I know all the grammar rules? And my native language is not English. Even my native language is not Hindi. But I can express my thoughts in Hindi. Right? क्या मैं सोच रही हूँ और क्या मेरे मन में है, क्या मेरे दिमाग में है, क्या मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ, all things I can express. I can explain what I see around me in my native language and also in Hindi. But when I try to explain it in English, I am not able to explain it in English because I don't speak. I can't speak in English. And why I can't speak in English? Even I know all the grammar rules. Even I know so many words in English. Like, I don't say that I have a lots of words in English. No, I have only few words in English. Like, I know some nouns, some verbs, and subjuncts. Like chunks that means a group of words, like let's go, let's come, I'm happy, I'm busy, right? But I cannot speak in English. Why? Because I don't speak in English in my daily life, right? I do not speak even when I am right now. I am in my home, and in my village area, no one speak in English. Even here, no one speak in Hindi also. And if you don't know me, I am Kamini. I am from CG. And here, everyone speaks in our native language, Chhattisgarhi. That means CG, right? So, how can I improve my English in this area where no one speak in English? And this is exactly I was thinking, that how can I improve my speaking skills? How can I speak in English? Even I do not have any partner. I do not have anyone, and I do not have any partner. I do not have anyone else who can speak English with me. Even in my house, no one speak in Hindi, no one speak in English. And you can see that I am a beginner in English. Actually, I am a completely beginner. You can say I am a very big beginner in this language. But still, I am trying to improve my spoken English. I am trying to improve my fluency level. And maybe you are thinking that why she is trying to speak in English, and why she is learning this language, right? Then I cannot say why I am learning this language. You know, right? You know why I am learning this language, and you also know why you are here, why you are watching my video, right? Then I don't need to explain why I am learning this language. You know very well that English is important and why it is important. And let me tell you one thing. I teach students, right? I give tuition and I teach my students, and they are from upper primary class, right? They are from upper primary class. They read in class 7, 8, 6, and even they can speak better than me. They can speak in English better than me. And I was thinking that when I was in my primary class, when I was in my middle class, I was not able to speak in English like this. You can see I am in a beginner level, but you can see that I am speaking in English like a little slow, not fluent, but still I am speaking in this language. And nowadays I see primary level students, even upper level students can speak English better than me. Why? Because of the era. You can see that when I was in my primary school and when I was in my upper primary class, then there are no any tools, there are no any resources to speak in English. Even our teacher did not teach us in English, and even they taught us English in a Hindi, right? They translated English into Hindi for us. And that that yeah, you can see that in our time there is no resources and there is no tools to speak in English. But nowadays people are learning this language for their self, and I'm also learning this language for myself, for my future. And I am learning this language because I want to become fluent in this language. And I know English is important in nowadays and in this generation. Also Hindi is important, English is also a very important language, right? And now I don't need to explain why I am learning this language. If you are here, then you can understand that why I am learning this language and why you are learning this language. And what I was saying that, yes, I know all the grammar rules, but I cannot speak in English. But you can see I am trying to learning this language and I am still learning this language. And with God grace, definitely I will speak this language very fluently. And one day I will show you that I can become fluent in this language. And not only me, you can also improve your spoken English, and you can also explain what you think, what around you, what you are trying to say. And one more thing, don't think that English is the only subject, like we are learning English only as a subject. And especially me, I was learning this language only as a subject for my exam purpose. Like I was thinking that if I take correct answer in my exam, that is enough for me. But no, this is absolutely wrong. Like you have to learn English as a language. You have to open your mouth to speak this language. I am not a teacher, I am a learner, and you can see I am learning this language, right? And if you are a learner, if you want to learn this language, then you can join my journey. And also I am learning this language and not as a subject, right? I am learning this language as a language, and I want to be fluent in this language. That is why I am trying to speak in English, and I try to explain what I think and what I want to say. And English is a not only as a subject, is a medium of communication, right? What you want to say, what you want to explain, you can explain it in this language, right? You can explain it in English. And don't afraid of mistakes. And I will say that make mistakes. When you make mistakes, you can understand that why English is important. Mistakes make you awkward in public places. And when you feel awkward, then you can feel that you should start something new. You should learn this language. You should start this work, and that is very important. And when you realize that what is important for you, what is very important for your better future, then you will take action, right? You will take action and you can improve yourself. So don't afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are just a part of learning, right? Mistakes are the part and parcel of our life. That means it is important to make a mistakes, and mistakes teach you a lot, right? So don't afraid of mistakes, and keep doing, keep learning, right? You will be fluent one day definitely. And also I said that to me that I can improve my spoken English and I can speak in this language. And thank you so much for watching my video, and if it is useful for you, then support me and you can join me on this series. Thank you so much.